Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, I broke the paper airplane world record. Yes, I built a big airplane. Let me tell you how I measure it. One table, this takes half of the space of a table, which is very excellent. And plus, this paper airplane can fly. That's right, my little peeps. It can fly. This airplane is half of the size of me. It goes all the way to my stomach over here. So, what I exactly did here is I take about 8 sheets of paper. I take them all together and I just fold them like a regular airplane. And I'm the only one who made this big boy. And it can fly. Evidence. It can fly. Yep. The Guinness World Record airplane could fly. So the Guinness World Record maker, please put this in the record book. And see you guys next time. Bye.